Hey, Group 11, my name is Noel Vega Jr., and this is my depiction of design. I want to start off with a quote from Steve Jobs. Design is not just what it looks like and feels like. Design is how it works. This creative and unique collage illustrates the importance of design and really defines what design is. Design has a purpose, has significance, is essential and innovative that impact every aspect of our daily lives. Let's start with vision. That's how we see, how we look, how we experience, and how we explore the world. Take problem solving, for instance. How we see one problem may be different from another, and we listen to that, evolve our understanding of how a solution can be solved in so many different ways. Time. It takes time to create such an amazing design. In with the new, out with the old, as far as from our economy standpoint, because we want to grow, and design is an important aspect, or important aspect of that. Throughout the collage here, you'll see many quotes from well-known designers such as Albert Einstein, Steve Jobs, and Maya Lin. The light bulb shows how ideas are created and how they're implemented through these unique and creative thought processes that we incorporate in design. And finally, I wanted to wrap it up with the disciplines of design throughout the collage, represented by chairs or seating areas or seats. On the far left-hand corner is informational design, which is a basic computer chair. When you go to the map up here, it depicts food design, architectural design, and landscape design. And finally, on the top of the collage is interior design and set design. Thank you.